How to change your Acorns subscription plan. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Acorns page. In the Acorns page, there are two ways of changing your subscription plan. First one is through your phone. Log into your Acorns account in the app, tap the home screen, then tap the profile icon. There, click on Settings. Then you'll find My Subscription, click on it, scroll down to Manage Subscription, and click on Change Plan. Choose the subscription plan you want and tap Switch to this plan. And in the website, you can log into your account on acorns.com. From your homepage, click on the profile icon. Under Personal Settings, click My Subscription. Scroll down to Manage Subscription and click on Change Plan. Choose the subscription plan you want and click on Switch to this plan. And this is how to change your Acorns subscription plan. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.